A split setup for us temperature-wise as we slide into the weekend. We've got cloud and outbreaks of rain in places, limiting that late autumn sunshine and feeling colder for many of us tonight. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. A good deal of cloud, outbreaks of rain, a touch drier and brighter further west. Here's some slithers of low, weak, late November sunshine. Otherwise disappointingly dull and damp. And with a switch in the wind direction, we tuck in some colder air from the north. So some of this rain giving a wintry mix across the highest ground of the southern uplands, the Pennines and the Peak District. A few flurries of sleet and snow across the highest routes, otherwise mostly falling as rain. Drier to the top and tail end of the country with a mild air across the south and so much colder further north. A huge contrast to end the day, and that colder air sinks its way to all locations overnight as the rain pulls away. Quite gusty winds across those eastern coasts, and by dawn turning frosty as temperatures fall. In some rural spots well below freezing, as low as -7 and -8 across glens of Scotland. Outbreaks of rain easing in the next few hours, and with clearer skies turning colder. Temperatures falling, turning frosty with a chance of ice for some of us. And as for the next few hours, this area of rain easing and pulling away from central and eastern zones. As that system pulls away into the near North Sea, we've got gusty, blustery winds around those eastern fringes. A few showers into northern Scotland, turning wintry across the highest routes. And then a clear, cold night for the rest of us. Temperatures lower than last night, turning frosty. These are the temperatures expected in towns and cities, lower in the countryside, with a harsh, widespread frost, particularly further north, the chance of some icy stretches after the rain of today, and as low as -7, -8 in sheltered glens of Scotland. So certainly a cold start for those up bright and early. Freezing and frosty first thing, the chance of some icier spots for Scotland and northern England, but brilliant blue sky and sparkling late November sunshine. A really beautiful end to the weekend, but temperatures will tend to struggle across the north all day after that freezing, frosty start. A colder night ahead as skies clear and the rain eases. Temperatures falling, turning frosty, and for some of us turning icy too. The earlier rain pulling away into the near North Sea, quite gusty winds across those eastern coastal counties, and a few showers into the northeast of Scotland, turning wintry across higher routes. Otherwise clear and crisp, with tumbling temperatures expected in many locations. As low as -2, -3 in some towns and cities overnight. A harsh, widespread frost with a chance of icy stretches further north after today's rain. And these are the temperatures expected in rural spots, even colder, as low as -7, -8 in sheltered glens of Scotland. So certainly a cold start tomorrow morning. Frosty at first, feeling freezing out there, but beautifully bright, clear and crisp. Brilliant blue skies, sparkling late November sunshine, and temperatures tend to recover across the south and the west. A few showers here, but after that cold start, temperatures always struggling further north and further east. See you soon.